Standard 4th. Subject Computer. Lesson number 10 about files and folders. Do you know, students, that a file in a computer is like a book you use? Okay, so from this, which is the file? Yes, which is there in the blue color, and the green color is the file, students. Okay, like a book, it contains some information. A file could be a program, an application, or a document, students. Each file has its own name. Such as we have our own name, same like that a file has its own name. If a file is a book, a folder in a computer is like a school bag in which the books are carried. Okay, so students, a folder in a computer is like a school bag, okay, in which books are carried, right? So from here, which is the folder? Right, students, the yellow one is the folder. File is there, which is there in the folder. Okay, in a computer by default, files containing text prepared in various programs like Word, Excel, PowerPoint are stored in the document folder, students. Pictures are stored in the image files in the picture folder, students. How in your mobile pictures are been stored in the gallery? Same like that. These folders are provided to segregate the files with an easy access. So students, in this image there are lots of files we can see. Okay, the yellow one is the folder, and the blue one or the green one which is there, it is the file, students. Okay, suppose if you want to create a new folder, what you will do? You will right click anywhere on the desktop, then a menu will appear. Okay, from that you have to choose the new option. Later select the new folder. Then type the folder name, for example landforms or images. Later press the enter key, students. Your folder is been created. Okay. You have to create a new text file. What you will do? Double click anywhere on the folder you have just created. Okay. Then click on the file menu and you have to choose new option. Later select and click the text document. Specify the name, example mountain is there or bridges is there. Okay, then press the enter key, students. A new file is created in the folder named by landform. Similarly, you can choose the required program in the list to prepare a new file, students. Example Word, document, Excel, worksheet, etc. Now double click on the file to open it. You can observe that it opens in a notepad. Then you can type the text. After you finish, you have to click on the file menu and you can choose save option to exit. Okay, now click on the file menu and you can choose the exit option, students. Working with files and folders. You can copy or move a file or a folder using the cut, copy and paste commands. What will cut command do? To move a file or a folder, we can use this cut command. With the help of copy command, we can copy a particular file or a folder. With the paste command option, we can paste a file or a folder at a certain place, students. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.